Charles Forkey Jr. I was the founder back in the early 80s. We started making wood stoves, steel kicker racks for the farming industry, and it just escalated into what it is today.
Charlie Forkey III, president of Forkey Fabrication. I work with my team to manage our daily production, incoming new business quote opportunities, and act as our CFO as well. So we process primarily hot rolled products. We do tube laser, flat laser cutting, fiber lasers, saw cutting, bending and forming, robotic welding, manual welding, CNC machining, turning, horizontal and vertical milling. So our partnership with Steel Warehouse is about 12 years old now, and our partnership has allowed us to be a lot more competitive buying from Steel Warehouse opposed to buying through a service center. During the pandemic, steel became a very tight supply and prices went through the roof during 2021. During that time, steel was very scarce throughout the whole country, and Steel Warehouse never once came to us and said we were having material shortages or issues. We never had to go to our customer one time through the whole 2021 year and tell them that we were short on material. So we're very thankful for that we were able to grow our business a lot that year because we always had steel in supply. We used to use hot rolled and blasted product oftentimes in bar form, and then after we got a plasma, we would buy hot rolled black sheet, cut our parts out of it. But there was always a lot of dross and slag from that process because of the scale. So there was a lot of cleanup after that. We went to do bending and forming, which most all of our products that we weld are bent or formed prior. We didn't get very good life out of our dies. We always had the cracking and peeling away of the scale in the corners, so there was a lot of cleanup after that. During the weld process, you don't get as good a penetration welding with the mill scale on there. It also creates a lot of spatter. So it really created a lot of post-processing after welding for us using the scale product. And then when it came time to paint, painted products didn't look very well, so we always had to blast the entire part before it could be painted, so aesthetically it would be pleasing to customers. So as we converted to hot rolled P&O, a lot of that secondary work went away, helped make us more competitive to our customers. Post-cut cleaning was something that didn't have to be done anymore. Die life in our bending machines had improved. Cleaning after bending was not required anymore. During our welding process, the spatter was reduced significantly. In fact, today we don't do any post-weld cleaning on most of our products that are made out of HRPO. And then from a painting perspective, there's no more blasting required anymore. They just paint the products after a wash, and it's a really big time savings and a nice cost savings to our customers.
Going from blasted material or scaled material to the HRPO it's considerably cut down the post-production time that we have here for sure. One, in the cut quality, there's considerably less burring happening straight from the cut itself. And then in the post-production side, obviously with that, there's considerably less amount of time spent, if any at all, with some of the equipment that we're running now and the power levels that we're running. Nitrogen cutting we've introduced into some of our thicker materials, and we're not even touching most of it as it goes from one station to the next in the house anymore. So it's considerably better than what a scaled material would be, hands down.
During the quoting and estimating portion of it, not having to quote things to go out for any kind of post product, whether it's blasting, deburring, there's advantages to using that HRPO that we currently purchase from Steel Warehouse. It makes us more cost competitive. From a quoting standpoint, we can eliminate that process.
They're a business partner. They keep iron when we need it. It saves us having that investment on the floor because we know it's on their floor. It's nice to have a business partner that we believe in each other. We believe that we can get through the tough times